One, this is not a classroom. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
First of all, thank you very much for making it on this fact that a weekend is very, very personal and very special to each one of us. And if you are giving your time on a weekend to anyone, it means that particular person is, or that particular thing that you're doing over the weekend is very important.
Right? So, Babar's passion for literature is passed on to his son Humayun and also to his daughter Gulbadan Banu Begum, because she's also writing Humayunama. Now, Humayun
is not just on the parameters of bravery and Jawahara, right? So Humayun goes and goes. First time, so I don't need to go into detail on that. So biggest contribution of Humayun ऐसे तो बहुत contributions हैं and we don't know about it. And that was my attempt to highlight all these contributions. So biggest contribution is to marry Hamida Banu Begum, not reading, persisting, keep on, pestering Dildar and others. इसको मना 40 दिन बाद वो हाफ हो देती है. So to have a union with Hamida Banu Begum, but the greatest of them ever.
Then we have Jauhar Aftabchi, who is a ear bearer. He's all the time with Humayun. So we do not have any other authentic source than Jauhar Aftabchi, who is even carrying water when he's going to attend nature's call. So he is the closest person to Humayun. So that's Jauhar Aftabchi, Tazkiratul Waqiyat. Then we have no one else but Barnama, which is coming from Abul Fazl's time. Then we have Babar's cousin also, who is writing, Mirza Haider Daulat, Tariq-e-Rashidi, and obviously then we have some critiques of Humayun who are writing for.
से लेकर आज तक, हिंदुस्तान से लेकर ईरान तक और बूढ़े से लेकर जवान तक हर कोई उन्हें बादशाही कहता है। फिर वो चाहे बादशाह बाबर हों, अकबर हों, हुमायूं हों, फलाना हो, ढिमकाना हो, सुबह में हो, शाम में हो या रात में, सभी बादशाह के लक़ब से नवाजे गए।
Happening. It's just, this was like a preview for all of you. This is not where it ends. I would like to tell you that, like I mentioned, the Walk Icon Initiative is a 3-part initiative per Walk Icon. With Dr. Amita Paliwal, we did the podcast, which is on our YouTube channel. We've done the Heritage Walk of Milestone. And today, we've done the entire Guftagoo pertaining to Humayun. Similarly, the next Walk Icon is Dr. Richa Raj, Professor, Jesus and Mary College. We're going to touch upon the topic of 1857. We are in the month of independence, and that's why we must celebrate this entire month. So we've done the podcast yesterday. It's going to be on our YouTube channel this coming Tuesday, post which we are doing the Heritage Walk of 1857 at the Ridge, and that's going to be happening on the 11th of August, followed by a Guftagoo again right here on the 31st of August. In between, there are many other heritage walks that the organization is going to be performing. This Sunday, which is tomorrow, there's a heritage walk of Safdarjung 2. Should you be interested, you can go register for the same on Book My Show as well as on our platforms as well. We also have a very special, very interesting event coming up, which is on the 17th of this month. This is kite flying in Old Delhi. So if any of you are interested, just keep in touch.
So Nidhi just mentioned about the kite flying event. That is by invite, free of cost. We will choose the profiles, people will be coming in. Kite flying is a personal favorite of mine. I'm a Delhiite, and Patanbazi.